As I reflect, I find perspective. They're in the best and worst days of this life. You were always on my side. You're in the pain, you're in the promise, and on the days the furnace finds my faith. You're the fourth within the flames. I don't need to know what the future says, 'cause if the past could talk, it would tell me this: my God isn't finished yet. If He did it before, He can do it again. So I'll trust Him with what comes next. For the God I know, He's known for faithfulness. Yeah, my hindsight says I can trust Him with what's next. For the God I know, He's known for faithfulness. There's more ahead than what's behind me, 'cause through the highs and lows and in between, God, you go ahead of me, and where you call me, I will follow. If the water falls beneath my feet, then you'll pull me from the deep. I don't need to know what the future says, 'cause if the past could talk, it would tell me this: my God isn't finished yet. If He did it before, He can do it again. So I trust Him with what comes next. For the God I know is known for faithfulness. Yeah, my hindsight says I can trust Him with what's next. For the God I know is known for faithfulness.
为你起。
My God isn't finished yet. If He did it before, He can do it again. So I'll trust Him with what comes next. 'Cause my hindsight says I can count on this. My God isn't finished yet. If He did it before, He can do it again. So I'll trust Him with what comes next. For the God I know is known for faithfulness. Yeah, my hindsight says I can trust Him with what's next. For the God I know is known for faithfulness.
呢幾日嘅活動都係好想你哋將呢啲咁樣嘅碎片一嚿、兩嚿、三嚿、四嚿砌翻成為一幅圖畫，睇見一件事，耶穌就喺你哋生命裏。